Why do perfumers obsess over a handful of flowers? Because these 10 give power, personality, and staying power. Let's scent count down them now. Number 10. Violet. Powdery and delicate, perfect for vintage-style florals. Number 9. Magnolia. Big, creamy, slightly citrusy, great for warm top notes. Number 8. Lily of the Valley. Fresh, green, deceptively complex despite tiny blooms. Number 7. Gardenia. Rich and velvety, an absolute heart note favorite. Number 6. Lavender. Aromatic, calming, and blends like a dream with woods and citrus. Number 5. Orange Blossom, Neroli. Bright, sweet, and indispensable for sparkling floral accords. Number 4. Ylang Ylang. Heady, exotic, almost tropical. Use sparingly for balance. Number 3. Tuberose. Opulent and narcotic, a powerhouse for nighttime perfumes. Number 2. Rose. The classic heart of perfumery, many varieties, endless depth. And number 1. Jasmine. Timeless, intensely floral, and long-lasting. The backbone of countless icons. Want a mini recipe pairing one of these? Say the word.